Hello, Rocketeers! I hope you're well and happy. So I thought I'd upload a bass lesson to get some of you bassists playing. If you haven't played a bass before, why not? It's brilliant. So today we're going to have a look at Give It Away by the Red Hot Chili Peppers. Now, if you don't know that song, that's a shame because it's a groovy number and you should go and check it out. To give you some time to go and check it out on your favourite platform, here's a little pause page. Okay, so now you know the song really well, and it's very, very groovy, isn't it? So we have a bass guitar here, I hope, and you have 1, 2, 3, 4 strings. Okay, elephants and donkeys grow. E, A, D, G. We're interested today in this A string here. Okay, that's the second string away from our chin. And what we're going to do is we're going to play A, and then we're going to slide it up to wherever you like. It doesn't really matter on the neck. I think Flea's pretty liberal about it. And then you play fret 12 on the G, which is the nearest one towards your knees. You'll know it's fret 12 because it's got 2 dots. So you squeeze really, really hard. You do that. Okay, A, slide, 12, and then what we're going to do is O3 on the A string, and then we go back to the beginning. Okay, so that's the verse bit. What you got, you gotta give it to your mama. All that sort of bit. Now, the chorus couldn't be easier, but it's very effective, and I do like it because it gives you lots of time to do some funny faces, and I do like a funny face. So, the give it away, give it away, give it away now bits goes like this. We play fret 3 on the E string, and then we're going to slide up to fret 5. And we're going to do it really quick. Now to get the sound at the end, you just keep your finger held tightly and just, okay, you just let it go down, slide it down. Okay, so that's the chorus. Now, the only other bit you need to know to be able to play along with this song is the bit where the guitar solo comes in. Great guitar solo. Recorded forwards, and then they play it backwards. So they play the guitar solo backwards. But while that guitar solo is playing, you play this bass line. And all for you eagle-eyed people out there, you'll notice that I'm playing the same as the verse, but just 1 string towards my chin. So I play O slide, 12 on the D, the double dots, and then O3 on the E string. Okay, so it's exactly the same, but he moves it 1 string towards his nose, which is a common thing in rock music. If you get bored with it on 1 string, do it on some others, and it sounds infinitely brilliant. Okay, so go along and have a go at Give It Away with the Red Hot Chili Peppers. Absolute belter song. I really like this one, and I particularly like having to pose between the... And you can do all your fancy poses there. Okay, so have a go at that one. Hope you have lots of fun. And a little shout out, I'd like for anyone who has any recommendations for future lessons to get in touch with me. Get your parents to get in touch with me and ask me to do a lesson, and I'll do my very best to upload one. In the meantime, stay strong, stay rocking, be excellent to each other.